Monica, thank you very much. From our D.C. newsroom, in a highly anticipated ruling, the Supreme Court blocked President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan, and it's drawing both celebration as well as devastation from people across the country tonight. Washington, D.C. correspondent Hannah Brandt breaks down the fallout from this decision.
This was a 6-3 ruling with the conservative justices in the majority. But President Biden says this fight isn't over yet. Angry protesters surrounded the Supreme Court, devastated by the decision to strike down the president's student loan forgiveness plan.
This decision is an attack. It's an attack on working class families and middle class families.
The Biden administration wanted to cancel $430 billion in loans for millions of borrowers.
The money was literally about to go out the door.
But the justices ruled that their plan oversteps legal authority.
The president had no authority to do it, and again, save taxpayers to the tune of $500 billion.
Republican Senator Eric Schmidt was part of the team that brought this lawsuit. He says the high court made the right call and protected taxpayers from having to cover the cost of other people's choices.
There's no reason why, working folks who've either paid off their student loans or made different decisions in life should have to pay off the unpaid student loans of a tenured college professor.
But President Biden is promising to find another way to bring people financial relief.
I'm never going to stop fighting for you. We'll use every tool at our disposal to get you the student debt relief you need and reach your dreams.
He directed the Department of Education to start working on another loan forgiveness method using the Higher Education Act. That will likely take months and also face challenges in court.
We're going to put the best legal argument forward to provide relief for borrowers.
Borrowers will have to restart student loan payments in October, but President Biden just announced there will be a 12-month grace period so that loans won't go into default or delinquency if borrowers miss payments. In Washington, I'm Hannah Brandt.
And with the Supreme Court's decision, those who have student loan debt have now just 60 days to budget once those payments restart. We spoke with a financial expert earlier today, and she says that people now need to pay more attention to interest rates when it comes to their student loans.
Now interest rates have more than doubled since that time. So it's going to make it even more difficult for those with federal student loans to deal with their balances, because when the interest starts again in September, that interest rate is likely to be considerably higher than it was before.
She also suggests looking at your budget and what you could have available to pay towards your debt. If you do not have the extra cash on hand, she suggests that you cut out some expenses or find a way to supplement your income.